It's a beautiful, beautiful morning in X this morning, and Nadine and I were so productive yesterday. Say hey, Nadine.
Good morning.
Would you like to see what Nadine's working on? And look at that, isn't that awesome? I am exploring watercolors for the first time, so of course mine don't look as good as hers. But it has been so much fun trying something new. But where should we go today, Nadine?
I say let's head to the coast.
Awesome, let's go see some blue aquamarine water.
But first we have to go to the market.
Absolutely. How could we, a Tuesday and not go to market?
Scarves, shoes, handbags,
Table runners.
copper.
No more copper. No.
Please. Just
Maybe silver.
maybe one little piece.
I may have to get some, hey?
I think you should.
I don't know. But I don't know if you can fit anything more in your suitcase.
Well,
Okay, we'll be talking to you soon.
bye. Once again, we are entering a town. We have no idea what the name of the town is, but we ended up here. Just took a little side trip. So off we go. This is to the center of the town. Now nobody can blame me for directing Barb. These are signs that we are following. So off we go. Cassidy, come
Do
on.
you see this sharp S?
In this pretty red
I guess
scarf.
we got to be ready. Here we go, girl. 1, 2, 3. I hope nobody's coming at us.
Okay, off we go. Okay, there. It says, "Oh, potable," meaning portable water, drinkable water. And the sign says Centerville, which means the middle of town.
So we're going to go down this little hill. Oh, and it's two-way traffic. Rod, one of us fit.
This is a two-lane street in southern France. Okay, see, once again, here's the road, the side of the road. Oh, and look, somebody's yard. And we're definitely in the back alley now. And there's no R. Oh, route to hospital. This is Hospital Road. Oh my, look. See? Look at this. This is a two-lane street. Look at how pretty. Pretty, pretty. Parking. And this little window boxes and somebody's. Oh, this is the center of town right here. We have a tiny little, oh my, what is this ahead of us? Can we do it? Oh, look at this door. Only little people can go must live here. Look at this door. It can't be more than...
Here, I'll roll down the window so you can see it better.
It's not a cute door, but my husband could never live there. They only allowed 4 feet tall people. Oh, I like this one, Barb. We need pictures of this one.
Oh, look at the stairs.
See? Stairs. This lady's had one too many quiche. She's like us. Ooh, flowers in the window.
Cute town. You have to walk fast. Do you see the steps going down the hill here?
Yeah.
I
Oh,
did
that one back there. Ooh, and this lady has a garden. The beauty parlor. This must be the jail. Okay. This is
Lots
a
of
cute zoo.
construction.
Wonder if they sell copper here.
You think we're going to find out?
There might be a little antique store in here. The sign up here says, "Stop."
We can read that one.
We can read this one. So there.
Cute little side trip.
That's where we're at. Mionle Montreux Brinolet, I think. I have no idea. I think I've invented a new language.
What?
Look at how cool these grapes are.
Look at the leaves. Can you come closer? Zoom in on these leaves. They're absolutely gorgeous leaves. Look at that. It's beautiful. Look at these grapes. Uh-oh. We don't want the grape police after us this time. So
No, I don't think
we'll
we
just
can have
we'll
any.
just look and touch.
But they are gorgeous.
They are beautiful. The leaves, look at that. They're turning. They're absolutely beautiful. Look at the red ones over here. They are gorgeous. The birds had a little bit of a party here.
I'm just gonna, this vignette is,
It's beautiful. We have another situation, and I didn't do it. Well, I have to say I kind of partook, but look what Nadine has done. Again.
guilty by association.
We found another vineyard right alongside the road. 1, 2, 3.
Keep this up and we'll be able to make our own bottle of wine before we go home.
We can have our own chateau.
Chateau? What are you talking about?
The chateau. I'm talking home. I'm not talking about a
You want to buy a place in France?
I do. I think I would love living
And
here.
who's going to finance this?
Good question.
I think Bill might have a problem with that.
Well, both of the guys would. So,
Yeah, well,
but we'll put our thinking caps on.
how many paintings do we have to sell?
Oh man, we'd have to be dead to make enough money to do that. Remember, artists have to be dead before they make a lot of money.
Maybe we could be buried in France.
Yay!
Because it is raining heavily, dogs, cats, and bad French drivers.
Oh, it's been a long trip home.